Hi everyone, welcome to the Python installation tutorial. We are going to install the latest version of Python, which is 3.9.1 at this time on Windows 10. So firstly we need to go to the Python's official website, which is python.org. The link is given in the description below. So firstly go to the download here, latest Python 3.9.1. Scroll down. If you have a 32-bit system, download this one. If you have a 64-bit, which is recommended, download this one. I have a 64-bit, so I'm going to download this one. Then open the installation file, add Python 3.9 to path, customize installation. Next, install for all users, then click on install. After the installation, another dialog box will appear, which is you have to click on disable path limit, and after that click on yes. After that, Python is installed on your computer. That's it. It's so easy.